Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mehmood Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on Java programming tutorial series. In this video I will discuss about break keyword. Okay, so break keyword is used to terminate a loop in Java programming. Okay, so we can use break keyword in two situations while writing the Java programming. So first use is while executing a for loop or while loop or do while loop, we can use break keyword to terminate and to come out of that loop. Okay, and the second use, we can use break keyword to terminate the cases in switch keyword. Okay, so whenever we'll be writing a program using switch, in that case we have to write the code in the form of cases: case 2, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, like that. Okay, so whichever case gets matched out, that case code will get executed. So for terminating that case, we use break keyword. Okay, so these are the two scenarios where we can use break keyword. So now, with the help of an example, let us try to understand the use of break keyword in a detailed manner. Okay, so now let's come to our project folder and then right click on it and then click on new, then click on new class. Okay, then just type break keyword. Okay, now let's import our input data input stream or input output package java.io.star. okay, next public static void main string args. Okay, and then we'll put the entire code inside try and catch block. Exception, and then system dot out dot println plus error. Okay, and now let's take a variable of type integer and then let's create our data input stream object, input stream. Okay, and then new data input stream system dot in. Okay, and then we'll ask the user to enter the limit. System dot out dot print ln, enter the limit, and then we will hold that value inside our integer variable n. Integer dot parse integer. Okay, and then this read line. Okay, and then we'll give a message to the user saying that your even numbers are. Okay, and then I will write. Okay, write a for each loop for I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to the limit, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then I will use an if. Okay, so here I'll be displaying the even numbers. Okay, I will set a if condition if I mod 2 equals to 0. Okay, if or each and every number gets divisible by 2, then that number will be the even number. Okay, so but here each and every number of our for loop will not get divided by 2. Okay, how many numbers will get divided by 2? Those numbers will be considered as even numbers. And then if yes, now I will set another if condition where I will say if the value of I is equals to 10. Okay, whenever our for loop reaches to the value of 10, here I will tell my loop to break, okay, and terminate. Okay, and then after this for loop I will write loop ends. Okay, save it. So now you can see here I have created an integer variable and then I have created an object of data input stream class, and here I am asking the user to enter the limit. Okay, and that value I am storing inside this variable n, and then I am running a for loop where I am starting the value from 1 to the limit. Okay, and then I'm checking whichever number gets divisible by 2, then that number will be considered as an even number. And then I'm setting an if condition where I'm saying whenever the value of variable I is equals to 10, then I want to break from that loop and I want to come out of this loop. Okay, so whenever the program encounters this break statement, the loop will get terminated and automatically I'll be redirected to this system.out, this loops end statement. Okay, so whenever a break is encountered within a loop, then the next following statement will get executed. Okay, so now this statement is the following statement of after this for loop. Okay, so now let's see the output. Okay, so let's build it. Okay, and now let's right click and then click on run file. Okay, now I will enter the limit as 20. Okay, now okay, even numbers. Okay, so I have not printed the numbers. Okay, system dot out dot println save it. Okay, now let's run. Okay, let's enter the limit. Okay, now you can see it has returned me only 4 numbers. Okay, so because I have told here inside this code that I want to break this for loop the moment when I reaches to the 10th iteration. Okay, so here I'm displaying only the even numbers. Okay, if I just comment this line that I don't want to filter the iterations based on this even and odd things, so now I will can see I will get all the numbers. Okay, so now you can see now it's displaying me the numbers from 1 to 9. So, okay, so after 9 I reach to 10, and when I reach to 10, the according to our break keyword, the for loop will get terminated and I come out of the loop. And here see after the for loop ends, this statement will get executed, which is loop ends. Okay, so now this is everything about break keyword. So we can use this break keyword in 2 scenarios. One is inside the loop for terminating the loops, whether it is a for loop, while loop, or do while loop, or we can use it in switch statement as well. Okay, so switch keyword as well. Okay, so I have covered a different video and I have already uploaded that video on switch keyword where I have explained everything about switch keyword. Okay, there you will find the usage of break keyword as well. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, thanks for watching.